Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to connect a Nintendo Wii to a TV. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the basic, extremely simple steps for connecting a Wii to a TV. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm actually going to take the Nintendo Wii and I'm going to place it like this so that I actually have access to the back, because on the back of the Nintendo Wii is where we're going to be making all of the connections. Now essentially you're going to be looking for two cords. The first cord is the power cord. Okay, one end is going to have the power plug like that, and then the other end over here is going to have this part that connects to the Nintendo Wii. And then you're going to be looking for a different cord to connect it with regards to audio and video. One end is going to have this right here, which connects over here. And then the other end is going to have these three colors right here, which are used to connect it to the TV. So let's start off by connecting the power. So I'm going to take the power cord. This end right here connects over here. And it only goes in one way. You can see it's like the shape only allows it to go in one direction. Okay, plug it in like that. Then you're going to take the other end right here and you're going to plug it into a power source. So I actually have a power bar right over here. I'm just going to take it. Let's make sure it's the right way, like that. And we're going to plug it in just like that. I'm going to reach over there, plug it in like that. So we're halfway done already. Now we're going to take the multimedia cord. And this is the same thing. It only goes in one way, as you can see based on the shape of it. You're going to plug that in over here. Okay, you can see it matches the shape. It's pretty simple. You almost can't get it wrong because you just got to match up the shapes. It's like literally, it's just like a little puzzle. So you're going to take this, plug it in like that. Okay, and then what you want to do here is you're going to take these three colors and let me just explain what they mean. The yellow is going to be for the video, and then the red and the white are for the audio. Okay, one's for left, one's for right. So basically the yellow is for video, and then these two are for the audio. One is for left audio or mono, and then the other one is for right audio or stereo. So you're going to take these, you're going to look on the back of your TV, and you're going to look for these right here. Now you can see this says component in. Okay, so these are component cables, and essentially you want to start off by taking the yellow one and plug it in because that's the video. Now you might have a situation like this on most modern TVs where the yellow component is also a different color over here. You can see the yellow component is also green because it depends on what type of component you're using. You could use a component cable that has all 5 of these. This one only has 3, and they've done this to make it easier. It used to be way more different component plugs. So you're going to take the yellow and plug it into the yellow. It also, like I said, might be green with the yellow circle around it. Just plug it in, just like that. I really don't want to knock over the TV. Okay, and then you're going to take the red and the white, and you're going to plug them into the red and the white. Now you'll notice that there's also a different red over here, but you're going to look for the audio right and audio left. Okay, so the audio left, like I said, which is for the mono, is going to be the white cable, and then the audio right, which is for stereo, is going to be the red. You don't have to twist these as you put them in. I'm just twisting them to make them a little bit easier so I don't have to push as hard because I really don't want to knock over the TV. And that's basically it. That is essentially how to connect a Nintendo Wii to a TV. As you can see, we have 2 plugs going into the Wii. The first one is going to actually plug into the power outlet. The second one is going to plug into the TV. Very simple and straightforward. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.